So if you recently went to change your oil and your plug stripped out due to people over the years who have taken the car to lube shops or wherever, who have just over tightened these drain plugs and aluminum oil pans, you can run into a lot of issues with threads ripping out. So what we have here is essentially the same size but just slightly oversized, and hopefully this will take care of our issue. So here we are at the bottom of the car. Now this method is obviously very much preferred over having to take an entire oil pan out, which on some cars it's kind of difficult. Not necessarily difficult, but tedious. And there's the part number and everything. I got this at AutoZone for just under $5. So when you go to install one of these, you want to take it nice and slow, because it's supposed to cut in to the aluminum. So like I said, just take it slow. Check it periodically to make sure it's not going cocked a bit. Now I'm just going tight enough. Not putting a whole lot of torque. If it does start dripping a little bit, we can always try and just carefully put some more torque on it. But you definitely don't want to do it again, because then you're going to have bigger problems. You might have to replace your oil pan or somehow get a helicoil insert in here, and turns it into more of a pain in the ass than it already is right now. So now we just refill our oil, and I'm going to put some good oil into it. I'm only going to put about 4 quarts in. Alright, so I just about have 4 quarts in. So we're going to seal everything back up here. We'll check the level with the car off the ramps. Alright, just move the car off the ramps. Check the level. Need to add a little bit. No signs of anything dripping. We're good.